Thanks for checking out YouTube on YouTube. I got a sweet little video for you. I'm gonna just shoot some suppressed or silenced, it's not the true correct term, 9mm through my personal Glock 19 Gen 4 with a Silencerco octane 9 suppressor on it. This one's an OD green. This is a limited production round, special edition one that I got quite a few years ago now. I use this as my carry gun for many years every day, but we're gonna load it up just so you guys can see. I'm gonna link some, actually I'm gonna cut in some really cool slow motion video following this. So if you guys can like, comment, subscribe, comment on down below, I'd really appreciate it. But here's what the Glock 19 Gen 4 sounds like with the Silencerco octane 9. Peace, guys. Let me know what you think down below.